Hey guys, sorry the thing stopped. I accidentally pressed the stop recording, but we have to open another one. So, but this is the recap of what she got. She got all of this stuff, and then the cashier that opens with money. But yeah.
But this one doesn't open. So let's just put this one in here because...
You already opened that one? No.
No, it's because this one doesn't have...
Oh yeah. Well, the other one that has more money, so we'll just put the more money.
Yeah, and it doesn't have like something that you can open for it.
So this, oh wait, watch out. So it'll be unboxing number 2, I guess.
Yeah.
So,
can I show them? Oh, I want to show them.
This one. Show them this one.
Okay. This one is a little bear with some food, you see? Okay.
What the heck is that?
Joe, I just put it right here, okay?
Okay, yeah. This, I have no clue what that is. Oh,
wait.
What the heck?
Can I show them the other one? Oh.
I don't know what this is. It's like a yellow thing. I don't know. But it's cool. And then we got some beans and rice.
We got some of this pasta, whatever. What is this stuff?
Let's see. Oh, spaghetti.
Oh, this is spaghetti.
And then we got some pancakes.
And we got some cheese.
Wait, one at a time. Pancake. We got pancake. Syrup.
And we got some rice, I guess.
Yeah, that's right. And then we got a little bag of silverware. So this is the bag it comes in.
Sure,
And then we got
I want to show them
a fork. And then we got a knife. And then we got a spoon. So got all your silverware right here. Let me put it back in that little basket.
Can I show them?
Like that.
This one's like little meat and what? What is this stuff?
Huh?
What is that?
I think it's a mac cheese, green stuff, and I don't know.
I think my brother said it's mac cheese and stuff. So.
But yeah.
And cheese.
And then this is like some soup. I think some soup. But yeah.
And this is like a little tray that I don't know what it's made of.
And then it came with this thingy, like a phone, I guess. I don't know.
It's not a phone.
Or I don't know. My sister knows everything, I guess. And it says cancel, order, reserve. You move that and it changes. And then you click this for what you want and stuff. So like it's like the menu, I guess you could say. And then
now this is the menu.
Oh yeah, I guess that is. And then it says 3, 2, 1. I don't know what that is for, but it says 3, 2, 1. So it's just like a little phone that tells you stuff, I guess. But yeah.
This is the menu. This is the menu.
Let me see. Oh, cream soup rice, omelet rice, steak sauce. Oh, so it actually tells you what everything is. So
yeah.
We didn't look at it, but if the camera would focus.
Y'all
probably can't see it.
How much dollars?
That's like the real menu.
So this is 100. 200.
No, that's 200.
I know it's 200.
And then there's 160 and 40, but
yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna give y'all a little recap of that. Let me see.